Hey everyone, it's Donna. Okay, I've been waiting to unbox this thing, but I've been too busy. But I'm curious to see what these items look like. I asked for Lilly Pulitzer, um, and they delivered it, two pieces to me. Um, this item is Lilly Pulitzer, and it was sent to me by Stitch Fix. And I love this top, and I get compliments on it all the time. So I thought, let's try it again because I wear a lot of Lilly and it's just, I love the colors. I just love the colors on me. So let's get started and see what we got. Here's what the bundle looks like. And I took a look, and before we get started, I know I've got some Lilly pants there, and I'll talk about those in a minute. Now, when I opened up my bundle, that was clipped to it. And I don't know, has anybody else been getting these things clipped? I get them occasionally. It'll be clipped like this. And I'm like, did they forget to take something off of here? What is this? So, VIP, I don't know what it means. There was no explanation in the box, but I thought it was kind of cool. And let's take a look and see what they sent to me. All right. And I'm going to show you the items as we go through. They gave me a sweater, so you can kind of see to style it. And sorry, my nails are not done. I'm going all natural for a while. So there we go. Anyway, there's the sweater. These shorts, and they're in a navy blue. The Lilly pants. That sweater is a cardigan by Lilly. And this pink sweater, and what else we got? A performance bra. Okay, and I bet they're wanting me to wear that under that pink sweater, is my guess. That'd be cute. And Christy is my stylist, and she's funny, she's cute with the things she says to me, and I like her, and it's fun to read her notes. So, Christy, if you're watching, hi. Anyway, this is going to be box number 108 for me, guys. And if I buy everything, it's normally going to run me about $409.97. But if I buy them all, it's $307. Okay, so let's go through here and take a look. And I don't know if this is going to be backwards or not. So if it's backwards, I'm sorry. I'm going to be reading them off anyway, so let's get started. Okay, let's tear this baby open. Can I prop this up enough to let you see? Let's try. Oh, I hope I drop everything on the floor. Ooh, I like the colors I'm seeing. Check it out. All right, the first thing, let's go through. And I'm going to pop on my glasses for this. This is Beyond Yoga, and I love that brand. It's a performance bra. And let's see the name of it here. This is the Lift Your Spirits Performance Bra in black. It's a medium, and it is $66. There you go. And let's see, I think these, let's take a look here. I think you can slide the cups in and out when you're washing it. So that's cool. Next, what do we have here? Sanctuary. And I think I'm going to love this top if it fits. This would be cute. And it's got that puckered, see? I love that. Do you guys remember when that was popular years ago? That puckered look. This isn't so pronounced, but this is by Sanctuary. It is called the Pucker Up Knit Top, light pink and medium, and it is it's $29.97. Okay. And I think she sent those two items because if I slide this on top of this, okay. Now let's go into the cardigan. This is the Lilly Pulitzer Tatum, Tatum fringe hem cardigan, and this is a navy. Oh, that's cute. And if you go onto the Lilly site, you can see it's it's sheer, a little bit sheer, but not too sheer. If you go into their site, you'll see, let me show you how sheer this is. If I can hold this up. It's like a summer sweater. Something just to cover you up on a afternoon when it's just a little bit chilly. Ah, Lilly. I have several dresses by that company. I love them. And of course it has the fringe. Very pretty. And we're going to do a try on too. Now these shorts, these are a size 4. These are a cargo short, it looks like. And it says that they're, what color are these? It says it's navy, but these look gray to me. If they're navy, that's a trick. Because, well, I guess they are. They're just a faded navy, but they have a lot of gray in them. And this is by a company called Democracy. I have a lot of things by them. This is the Rosalie Absolution High Rise in navy. It's a 4, and it's $68. And I'm thinking she wants me to put it with that pink sweater. And then we come to the Lilly pants. Now, let's talk about these for a minute. And I'm going to tell you this before you run out and purchase a pair. These are the Bal Harbour Palazzo pants, and these are small. Now, something you need to, this is what I've heard. I had a couple friends buy these pants. And what they said was that there is some of them have a miscut to them. Now, there is no drawstring to this. So whatever you're given is what you're given. Let me take this paper off. But, you know, and they say they're a bit long, so I have a feeling they're going to probably be too long for me. I've got long legs. Maybe I'll be okay, but we're going to try these on. But some people that have told me that they go a little bit high, maybe in the front, and lower in the back. Some of them weren't cut right. So hang on a second, and I'm going to try these pants on. These little pants by Lilly run $128, and those shorts, did I tell you those were $68? So, okay, let's take a look and see what these are going to look like. Hang on, I'll be right back, and while you're waiting, please subscribe. Hang on. Okay, I took the V-neck performance bra. I have it underneath of this sheer, and it's sheer, pink top, and I've got it on with the navy/gray shorts, and it's cute. I can't complain. It's cute. The shorts they feel so good. Let's see if there's any stretch. There's some stretch to them, but they're not super stretchy. Which is kind of good because you don't want them to stretch out of place. So now let's try these Lilly pants on, and let's see if they fit right. I'll be back in just a second. Hang on. Okay, I'm back. Snap. Okay, I've got on these Lilly pants. They fit fine. The pair that I got, they're great. Hang on. Okay. Let me show them to you. I've got, I don't know if I'd even need to adjust these. If I put these with let me sit down here. If I put these with just a little bit of a wedge, I mean, they're not, I've got longer legs, so that is why I think they fit me okay. I like the pants. And I'm thinking, okay, I mean, I'm sitting here looking at them. I live in northern Michigan, but I have One of my best friends is down in Key West right now. She has houses down in that area, and so I'm thinking maybe road trip. So anyway, I might go ahead and I might keep this, and I'm not sure about the top. I've got cuter tops I could put with it, or I could put another Lilly top with it. Something, that would really coordinate well with these pants. I love the colors in it. Lilly has the most vibrant, beautiful colors in her clothing. Now, here we have the cardigan. And hang on a second, I'm going to slide this Lilly cardigan over this sweater, and I'm going to see how bulky it is with a light. Well, this isn't a sweater, this is just a little top, but I'm going to see how this fits with this, because if I keep it, I'd wear it with those gray shorts. Hang on, I'll be right back. Hang on. Double snap, I'm back. Okay, I've got on the Lilly sweater, and I put it on with the shorts because the pants would look too weird with this sweater. It's a navy blue. It's beautiful. In person, it is a gorgeous sweater. I'm not going to say anything about this sweater. I love the fringe. Very cute. I put it on with the shorts. Do I need a navy blue sweater? No. I don't wear a lot of navy blue. I've been sitting and thinking about it. Gosh, what do I do? I love every item that was sent to me, but do I need this? I'm not really, the collar's too high on this for me. So I'm more of a V-neck type of person, and that just kind of makes me feel, so I'll probably not buy the pink sweater, shirt, top. The sweater, I would think if I'm going to buy something from Lilly, it's going to be a pink. The shorts, I'm kind of thinking about keeping, and the pants, I might get those pants. So anyway, because I like those pants. So anyway, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I hope that you'll turn back and watch some of my older videos, and I hope that you please subscribe. Take care. Bye-bye.